Brianna's Bananas Cooking Show. Here we go! Hello everybody, it's Brianna. I'm back in Dustin's kitchen and it might be my last video in here because I'm moving. So, today, if you guys are a fan of Tim and Eric Awesome Show, you will enjoy this video because Eric Wareheim made a cookbook called Foodheim. So I'm gonna try out the first recipe in this book, Smashheim, just smash burgers. So it sounds pretty easy, pretty fast. It's gonna be really good, and I'm excited. So let's get started. Let me put my apron on. Okay, let's scoot you closer. All right, you're gonna need half an onion, which I'm gonna dice up right now. Okay, cut up my onion. I'm gonna need 10 ounces of ground beef, so I just got 10 ounces. It's a little over a half pound. You need 80-20 ground beef, so 20% fat. You need 2 ounces of bacon. So I literally just got 2 slices of bacon from my meat counter. I'm gonna dice this up. Okay, bacon's chopped up. Put it in with my beef. Okay, pop some gloves on. Get some salt and pepper in here. I'm gonna turn on both the front and the back burners because I have this long griddle pan. I'm gonna mix all this up. Okay, so this makes 4 patties. So I'm just gonna divide this evenly. Kind of ball them up and put them into patty form. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna smash them on the grill. That's why they're called smash burgers. Here's our 4 little patties ready to go. So before I put those on, take me buns, whatever kind of buns you like. You could either butter them individually or just like put some butter on the grill, like I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna toast our buns a little bit. Okay, buns are toasted. It's starting to get a little smoky, so I turned the fan on and I opened a window. More butter. Woo! Oh my God. Turn it down. Turn it off. Oh my God. Turn it off. Let it cool down a sec. Okay. Take our burgers. Just gonna pick it up. And we take some parchment, swish our burgers. as much as you can. This is still off, by the way. It got so hot that it's cooking my burgers. Okay, I just flipped my burgies over, so I'm gonna make the sauce. Special tiny secret sauce. So it's a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. This is actually sandwich dressing, which has a little more seasoning in it, but it's fine. So that's a 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of mustard. Quarter cup of ketchup. That's easy to remember. 1 tablespoon of dill relish. And then 1/2 teaspoon of mustard powder. So I'm just going to eyeball it. Also, I'm going to cheese my burgers. American cheese. So this is our secret sauce. It's kind of orangey yellow. Some specks of green from the relish. Okay, so we got our burgers, we got our sauce, we got our onions. We got our toasty buns, and we got some pickles. So let's start assembly. Okay, so we're gonna take a bun. Take a burgie. Ooh, it's hot. Let's just put 1 pickle. Some onions. Take, I don't know if you can see, yeah. Take some sauce. Sauce her up. And there's that. So I'm going to assemble the rest of these, and then we'll come back and with the whole crew and we'll taste them.
That's good.
Okay, we're all here with our burgies. I'm excited. Okay, let's go. I like it.
This is secret sauce.
You like that?
Yeah, that's juicy.
That's pretty good.
Tender.
There's not too much meat in there. I hate when a burger has too much hamburger.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And you can't eat it all. This is like juicy and cooked all the way. Cheese is nice and melted. That sauce is good. It's not too mustardy like I thought it would be. Those onions aren't too overpowering either. What do you guys think?
Good.
Like them?
It's really good.
Is it like bacon?
Yeah, there's bacon in it. This probably was helping make it more juicy because of all the fat in the bacon.
Yeah.
A little more salty.
Like you better the whole thing.
I thought the bacon was going to be all chewy in there, but it's not. That's good. Well, cool. Thanks for the cookbook, Dan.
Yeah.
For my birthday. I haven't tried anything yet from it except for now, so maybe I'll come back to it and try a couple more recipes from that book. So cool. Thanks for watching, Tim and Eric fans. Hopefully I'll see you next week with I think I got a short video next week. So I'll bring that to you. Make sure you're subscribed.
Do it.
Give me comments and I'll see you later. Bye.